Hello everybody, and thanks for clicking on my video. Here we have the Axemen folding camping table. It consists of 4 parts. The first 2 parts are here now, and I'll put them together like that. Then we have the legs. At the end of each corner there are 4 holes. We fit that part there into the hole in the corner, and you do that on all 4 corners. There's the first one. And then you line it all up so it's all flush. Make sure that the legs are in the holes properly. Then all that's left to do then is to move that bar there into the hole each side. It can be a bit tricky, but once you get the hang of it, it's quite easy. And it's as easy as that. To make sure that you get both in, both sides of the table in, and voila, there's the table. I had somebody ask me yesterday where to send them a link, where to get them from. I actually gave them a link on eBay, and it was £29, although I found one on Amazon cheaper. Thanks for watching.